I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solved.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flat plan. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, Java, Python, C++, and many more courses. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I am handling many students courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries. I can handle all courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more universities, colleges, and schools. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step, focusing on the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flat plan. You can see here project description to get idea about your project. Okay, first you see project description. You can see here project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on customer 1. In customer 1, start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plan xlsx. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. I am going to show you my Excel workbook. You can see this is my Excel workbook. That's a download from my Pearson portal. Okay, here is my Excel workbook. Now we will move on to question number 2. I have done first question of this assignment right now. Okay, question number 2 I have 75 points. Use the get and transform tools to import the text file Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plan. Basically in this question we will use the get and transform tools to import text file. Okay, basically in this question we will import the text file. Okay, text file is Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plans. Okay, you will import this file where you saved in your PC. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Use the get and transform tools to import the text file Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plans. Moving on Excel workbook, click on data tab. Okay, click on data tab and then we will click on new query. Click on new query. Okay, then we will click on new file from file. We will click on from file from Excel workbook, Excel files, and we will import this file that's I saved in there in my PC. You can download, you can import this file. Okay, where you saved in your PC. Then click on this file Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flat plan. This is my student name code. Okay, click on this file and then simply click on import tab. Click on this import tab. Okay, this file will be loaded. Then click on this file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plans. Okay, then click on this file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 greater ML2 flat plan and then simply click on load. Okay, and then click continue. Okay, rename this sheet worksheet as flats. Question 2 has done now. This question 2 have 75 points. Okay, now we're moving on question number 3. Question number 3, in this question number 3, rename the worksheet flats. You can copy this name flats. Rename the worksheets flats. You can copy this name flats and then we will rename the worksheet as flats. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this worksheet. Okay, right click on this sheet and click on rename and we will rename this sheet as flats. Then press enter. This sheet will be renamed as flats. Now we will click on sheet 1 and just simply delete it. Okay, you can see here I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Now we're moving on to question number 3. In question number 4 I have done 3 questions. In question number 4, added the connection properties to refresh when the file is open. Okay, simply on moving question number 4, added the connection properties to refresh when the file is open. Moving on Excel workbook. Okay, you can see this. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. I have done complete assignment because my question number 2 has 75 points and question number 3 has 25 points. Total weightage of the assignment is 100%, and I have done 100% of the assignment. Now we'll move on Excel workbook. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description as shown on my PC screen. Please all students subscribe my channels and like my video. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access, writing, Python, Java and C++ courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. Okay, I am handling many courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more schools, college, universities. Okay, please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.